Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to hide photos on Android. So for this you can open first photos on your Android device. Okay, so let's when open, so you will have to click on album. So I will just randomly select the three photos of mine. I would like to hide it, so I will select it all and I will just set as to private, and it will be successfully set as private. So this is how to hide. Now you will see my three pictures are on hide mode, so it's invisible to see. It's only visible when you unlock it. So this is how to hide photos on Android. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.